Hello, David here at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a 2024 23 SPX Outboard. We have a quantum blue with a graphic down the side, water sports tower above my head, stone interior, 200 horsepower Mercury in white, Sea Dek on the swim platform. This boat is available. Come on down, we'll show you the rest of the boat. Okay, we've moved up in the cockpit of this beautiful 23 SPX. As you can see, stone interior, we mentioned that. Sea Dek underneath my feet, dual captain's chair. This is also available with a lounger right here. 23 SPX is the first boat in the Sea Ray lineup with a head compartment. There is a pump out porta potty in there. Other features that the SPX has, the 23, is your bow door. Close off for those cool nights or windy afternoons. There's a ski locker in the bow, ample seating storage. Coming back up on the helm, we have our upgraded sound system, Fusion head unit with a subwoofer, 5-channel amplifier, our 9-inch Simrad, that's going to give you chart plotting, GPS, fish finder, our tilt steering, our bolsters, digital throttle, digital shift, as I mentioned, water sports tower above my head. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, we'll show you the rest of the boat.